Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, making use of the new mask and the new bell cover. And let's see how all these work. Been informed that the intonation will not be affected by the bell cover, so we will test that with our little tuner here. So the first thing, I'm not feeling much of an issue with the sound and the intonation. Not noticing much of a difference there. The difference I am noticing is inhaling through with this, of getting enough air to keep the solid sound, much less getting the mouthpiece through there, which I haven't used it much, so with more practice that'll work easier. And let's try a couple more excerpts here. No. There we go. No, not yet. That should be cleaner. So I'm going to say the bell cover, not an issue. The mask, in terms of proper breathing, I am finding I'm having issues being able to get enough air to support the sound, much less not feel up here like I need to huff and puff. So, but we'll see how it goes once I've used it a bit more. Thank you. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.